And here we kick off. KenDutch Farm Limited starts. Here we go.
Welcome to Info 101 channel. I'm Robert from the Netherlands, and we have a special guest. That's Naomi, and she will introduce herself. So, Naomi.
Thank you so much, Robert. My name is Naomi Smart, born and raised in Kenya, Africa, Laikipia County. Thank you, viewers. Welcome.
And Naomi, we have heard that you started business in Kenya while you're still abroad.
Yes. I came here abroad like 5 years ago, and it's been difficult to find somebody to trust back home and do something for you, because there have been so many cases about people being conned, people buying land that is no land, it's air, such kind of stories. And I took my time, I do my due diligence, because I really wanted to invest back home.
How is this possible for you when you live abroad to arrange all those things?
Yeah, it is possible because they are still honest people back in Kenya. They are still trustworthy people, and they are still legit people. But all you have to do is do your due diligence and search Google. These days we have Google, we have everything. So it's so easy to search a company and things like that. So those things made it easy for me.
But how did you acquire the land? Because there's so many stories about scamming and things, how you can trust people.
I acquired this land where I'm starting this business. And by the way, guys, the farm I'm going to start is called KenDutch Farm Limited. And back to the question you're asking me, Mr. Robert, the way this is possible and the way I acquired this land, as you know, these days everything is digital. I like watching YouTube, especially when I'm here abroad. I miss my country so much. I miss Kenya. I love Kenya. So I like watching YouTube about things about Kenya. And this is where I met and I found this program. It was, I don't know if it is okay if I mention them, but if it's not right, forgive me. This is where I met a show by Damaris, and he was hosting Jane, the CEO of Amara Realtors. So my land I bought from Jane, Amara Realtors. That's how I found and I get to know about this land.
And when you contact them, you have to trust them, because you need the papers, and you are abroad. How you can arrange the papers and things like that, because you are not there to sign and everything.
Yeah, this is so easy. What you have to do is do your due diligence. This means you have to research who this person is. What does she do? What is it about? What have she done for the last few years? And with this, I get to know everything about Amara Realtors, and I was confident and I had faith that this is okay and this is the company that I want to work with. And I contacted the CEO, Jane, and we talked. She contacted me back, and we talked, and I paid. We agreed on how we will pay, and that's how I acquired my land. And guys, after 1 month or so, I received my title deed here. I received my title deed here in the Netherlands. I was so excited, and I was like, wow, so this is legit.
And then you bought the land, and you have the things to start the company you want to start. But how you can start, because you're not there, you cannot control anything and see if it goes well and everything. How you do that?
Yeah, I know. This takes me back to the next thing, because after I have acquired the land, now I was like, I'm not the kind of a person that wants my land to stay like that. You know, I want to develop it. I want to add value to my land. And this land is not for my house, living house or anything. I have a house somewhere else. So I thought, what can I do for this? So again, I did my research, and I'm born in the village in Africa, in Kenya, and nawambia tumetoka mbali. Mimi nilikuwa nachunga ng'ombe, mbuzi. So with this, I had this passion for farming, for animals farming, and that's when I came to conclusion that I want to do farming in my farm. With this, I started doing research on YouTube, on Google, what is the best business to do. Depending on where my land is, I came to conclusion that what I want to do is pig farming, pig breeding farm. And so with this, as I was watching the stories of other people, other farmers, that's where I came to meet this John Njau. I want to give a shout out to John Mkulima Pigarry for the commendable job and commendable thing you're doing for me. God bless you. May you prosper.
That you thank John Njau, but what I heard, you also pray with your first ground. Is this correct that I hear it well?
Yes.
That you do it on the religion way of
yeah. Oh yes. I am a Christian. I'm born again. And back of home, I was brought up as a Christian, and I really admire John Njau so much, because when the tractor was there to begin the first step, John Njau told me, Naomi, I will have to scoop some soil from the ground, and we will have to pray together. That one I loved about John, and that's why I believe in him. That's why I trust him so much, and God will bless him. God bless you, John Njau. And I contacted him, and this one I met him on a show called The Traveler, The Traveler, and this is where I met him, and he was interviewed by the lady, and I thought, wow, this is the guy I'm going to call for advice, for things like that. And I did, and he picked up, and that's where my journey with John Mkulima Pigarry started. And we agreed that I told him I have this piece of land, I want to develop it, I want to add value. What can you advise? And he advised, and because I love animals so much, and especially pigs, I thought, okay, thank you, God. And this guy is a God sent, because he's the one now on the site doing everything. And guys, trust the process. It can be done. It is possible. They are still legit, and they are still honest people back home in Kenya.
And Naomi, then what I want to ask you is, you start the business with John Njau, and I heard that we can follow it, that you will maybe a daily or a weekly update.
Yes.
What's happened on your farm, and you will record it and you will share it with the people. I hear.
Yes. This is because today is the groundbreaking, and today KenDutch Farm Limited is being born. John Mkulima Pigarry is the one on the side, and he will be sending every video from scratch, from the first to the end. Guys, welcome so much. Join us as we go through this journey, for you to see that it is possible to develop, to do something back home with the people back home. It is possible. There are still honest people back home. Join us. We will be updating you every time. I hope you enjoy. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, to like and share. Let us grow together. Thank you. Enjoy now with everything that is happening today. He's the one on site. Enjoy. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Naomi, for all this information. It's quite a lot, and I hope the visitors will subscribe you and like you, and will follow everything on the site. And because you tell us, you will step by step, doing every step you make, you will show us. So it's very interesting, and I hope we will get some more information during the startup from everything.
Yes, sure, for sure. You'll get more information, and anybody with any question, with any advice, I'm open for everything except negative vibes. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Until next time.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We are here at Amara Praise Gardens. We are here to start the KenDutch farm. We are doing the demarcation today. Today is the first day. We are doing the groundbreaking. I'll be taking you the process. We are grateful for the Lord. The day to kick off is here. I can see the tractor is ready. Our guy is pouring on the white chalk, and we are ready to run. First of all, we do the marking, which we have already started on one side for digging up the trenches, and you can see how the rope is. This is where we are going to build at the pig farm, a pig farm with where we'll have all great breeds. Yes, this is a 1/4 acre, and we are good to start off. And here is the excavator going to start off the KenDutch farm, KenDutch Limited farm. Here we go. A good day to start off. And here we kick off. KenDutch Farm Limited starts. Here we go. Asitoe hiyo beacon ikae tu hapo. Once again, we are here at KenDutch Farm, KenDutch Limited. So far so good. We are done with 2 phases. Side 1, side 2. Looking all smart. I'm loving the progress. Everything that has a good foundation ends up well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Memory. These will be included as day 1 in our videos and in our setup. Beautiful, beautiful. The trenches are going on. We are done with 3 sides. We are now on the last side gate. On the gate side. It's where you want to do the run. I have decided the gate to go at the corner and the toilet to be on this corner, so you can have enough space to use it. And we have this guy clearing up the bush, so you can get where the materials will be poured. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is a blessed day. We are happy to be blessed and be alive because of the Lord. This is the first day at KenDutch Farm. We'll be starting the groundbreaking. We are doing the demarcation so the tractor can come and get the trenches done. It's now when you're starting. Karibuni sana. Let's go as I take you through the process. This is day 1. Yes. And finally, we call it a day. We have a clean way, and we have all the trenches done. Where the tractor is where the gate will be. We have also taken advantage of the tractor. If you can see here, there's a hole. Yeah, there's a hole there. That's where we do the after this trench. After this trench, here there is a hole. This is where we'll have a toilet at the end of at one of the toilet and the septic tank. I let it come. I have taken the advantage of the tractor and told him to dig it up for me. So here we are. Good. And also the field is cleared. You see on this side, this one is not cleared, but if you see the KenDutch Farm Limited, it's cleared. It's all clean. We have cleared the way. So as the material start coming in, it's clear, and they'll be poured here at the center. Then we can start our brick wall. So far, so good. We call it a day, and thanks to God for this, and glory unto God.